Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very quick recipe which is spicy chicken in yogurt. This recipe was inspired by an Instagram post that we saw. We are going to try to make it our own South African version. I'm going to start by marinating my chicken. This is 1 kg of breast meat which are cubed in bite-sized portions. This is 1 kilo which is double the portion. You can halve it because this portion will feed 6 people. Now I'll quickly wash my hands. To marinate, this is the spices that I'm going to use. A teaspoon of hurdee, a teaspoon of pure chili powder, a teaspoon of dhania geera powder, and half a teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic, and a generous grind of salt and the juice of 1 lemon. I'm just going to throw in my spices to the chicken. Drop them all into the bowl. And a generous grind of salt to it. I will give this a nice mix. I will allow this to marinate for 20 to 30 minutes. If you don't want your chicken too spicy, you can substitute your pure chili powder for paprika. And if you like it more spicy, you can add extra. So I will allow this to rest for 20 to 30 minutes. 20 minutes has passed for my chicken marinating, and I am going to use the following ingredients for frying of my chicken. I'm going to use a splash of olive oil. After my chicken is fried, I am going to add in 1 large red onion that we sliced finely. I'm also using 3 green chillies and some spring onions. Now we are ready to fry our chicken. I've got a large deep pan and I've got my heat on moderate. So I'm going to put a generous splash of my olive oil to it. I will allow this oil to heat up. I lowered my heat because I don't want the chicken to splash. I'm going to add in my chicken gently. I will give this a nice mix and allow it to fry gently. 15 minutes has passed and my chicken has came to the complete fry. And while I was doing this, I didn't put my lid on, so it was frying without the lid. Now I'm ready to remove this and put it back into my bowl. To this point, I just switched my stove off. But for the braising, I'm going to use this same pan. To my warm chicken, I'm going to throw in my sliced onions and also my greens, which is the chillies and spring onion. And I will give this a nice mix. I will cover this and set it aside. Now we are going to prepare our yogurt for our chicken. I am going to use 2 cups of Greek yogurt. I have 4 cloves of garlic that I ground, a teaspoon of fine salt, half a teaspoon of sugar. I'll just mix up my Greek yogurt, and then I'm gonna measuring with my cup. This is 1 cup. And this is 2. I'm going to add in my crushed garlic to it. My sugar and my salt. And then I'm just going to whisk it together. To braise my yogurt, I'm going to use a generous splash of olive oil and a teaspoon of pure chili powder, a teaspoon of hurdee and half a teaspoon of mustard seed, and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Using the same pan, I've got my heat on moderate heat, and I'm going to add in my olive oil to it. Not very much. To this oil, I'm going to add in my mustard seed and allow it to pop. Then my hurdee and my chili powder and my kasuri methi. And thereafter, I'm going to switch my stove off. With my stove switched off, I'm going to throw in my yogurt. And mix this. So this is my yogurt glaze. To my yogurt, I'm ready to throw in my chicken. And I give this a nice mix. So this is done. And now I'm ready to serve. If you are cooking this amount of chicken, which is a kg, if you need extra gravy to it, you have to add on more yogurt. Here you go, your lovely spicy yogurt chicken. And on the side, we got some hot rotis to go with. This is a quick meal that one can make in the week for a delicious weekday supper. I hope you'll give this a try, and if you do give it a try, please comment how it has come out. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.